Okay, hey guys, this is how to scare your dog. Make sure it's little, because if it's big, and then it could bite you and it could really hurt and you'll bleed. Second, you have to be super fast and sneaky and quiet, or else your dog would hear you and it not be scared. So, come on.
You left the lights on.
Boom! Did you see that? Yeah. Let's talk more about it in the office. So when I said boo to Echo, she's like this, and like that. And she didn't bite me because she's a nice, sweet, and gentle dog. Make sure you have nice, sweet, and gentle dogs to do this trick because it's funny, cute, and sort of gets their heart racing and breathing. It's like an exercise. This is me, Margaret Brooks, saying this.